Welcome back to our channel where we are exploring the wonderful world of natural remedies, holistic healing, and essential oils. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We're going to talk about the essential oils for the lymphatic system. Our lymphatic system plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health and well-being, and using essential oils really can support its proper functioning. So let's just dive right in. First up on our list is Angelica Root Essential Oil. Now, this powerful oil is known for its detoxifying properties, helping to stimulate the lymphatic system and encourage the removal of waste and toxins from our body. Incorporating essential oils into our lymphatic system routine is a holistic way to support the body's natural detoxification process. Of course, you want to get that body moving because that's really what's going to make things move around in the bloodstream and get things out of your system. So let's explore some more essential oils that can help you and be beneficial for this. Next, we have Bay Laurel Essential Oil. Now, it possesses a very potent antimicrobial property that can help fight infections. It also boosts the immune system. By supporting the lymphatic system, it helps the body remove harmful substances from the body effectively. Cedarwood Essential Oil is another fantastic oil to have on hand. It has a grounding aroma and it's known for its lymphatic stimulation properties. By using this oil, we can encourage the flow of lymphatic fluids, aiding in the removal of toxins. Now let's talk about another oil, Citrus Essential Oil. This oil is particularly beneficial for promoting healthy circulation, which is of course crucial for proper functioning of the lymphatic system. It helps to reduce swelling and it supports the lymphatic drainage. Geranium Essential Oil is not only known for its lovely floral scent, but it's also for its ability to support the lymphatic drainage. It aids in the removal of excess fluids from the body and it promotes a healthy lymphatic flow. Ginger Essential Oil is another fantastic choice for those dealing with congestion in the lymphatic system. Its warming properties help stimulate the lymphatic circulation and supports the body's natural detoxification process. Next, we have Grapefruit Essential Oil. This refreshing citrus oil is renowned for its ability to stimulate the lymphatic drainage, reduce fluid retention, and promote detoxification. It's a fantastic addition to any lymphatic routine that you have. Juniper Essential Oil, or juniper berry, also known as, is excellent for stimulating the lymphatic circulation. It also acts as a diuretic, assisting in the removal of excess fluids from the body. This oil can be a valuable ally in maintaining a healthy lymphatic system. Now, one of my favorite oils is Lemon Essential Oil. Not only is this an uplifting with its bright aroma, but it's also supportive of the lymphatic system. It promotes lymphatic drainage, aids in cleansing, and provides a refreshing boost to our well-being. Rosemary Essential Oil is also well known for its stimulating properties, as we can use it for our lymphatic system. It helps to improve circulation, it reduces swelling, and it supports the body's natural detoxification process. Another one of my favorites is Sweet Orange Essential Oil. This one is not only delightful for its cheerful scent, but it's also beneficial for the lymphatic system. Its uplifting properties helps to stimulate the lymphatic flow and support the body's natural cleansing mechanisms. Last, we have Tea Tree Essential Oil, which is renowned for its antimicrobial immune boosting properties. When it comes to the lymphatic system, tea tree oil helps to fight infections and supports the body's natural defense mechanisms. Well, that wraps it up today for our discussion on essentials for the lymphatic system. Now remember, when you're using these oils, you want to be sure that it's part of your holistic routine, that you're moving your body, you're doing everything you can to help support your lymphatic system. But always remember to dilute your essential oils, properly try them out, maybe do a little small patch test to make sure that they're safe for the skin before you use them. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Until next time, stay well and take care of that lymphatic system.